of large intestine with cecum, appendix, ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid colon, and part of the rectum. And this is the right colic flexure, and this is the left colic flexure. Right colic flexure is 2.5 cm below than the transpyloric plane, and the left colic flexure is 2.5 cm above the transpyloric plane. And this is the cecum, and this is the appendix. Appendix lies posterior-medially, and there is a this is the base of the appendix. From there is a converge of the tinea coli. There is a 3 tinea coli. This is the tinea libera, lies anteriorly. Tinea mesocolica lies posterior-medially, and tinea omentalis that lies posterolaterally. And there is a 3 cardinal feature. One is the tinea coli and the circulation hostation. This is the circulation hostation, and there is a appendices epiploica. This is the appendices epiploica. And the whole large intestine is 6 meter, and the tinea coli is the aggregation of longitudinal muscle, and this is the 4 meter. That's why there is a circulation hostation. Number 1 থেকে this is the lumbar 1 vertebra. Lumbar 1 vertebra indicates the transpyloric plane. From the transpyloric plane, 2.5 cm below and 2.5 cm above. ঠিক আছে বাবা।